you have to do.
But it's easy. When she doesn't want to walk, you just scoop her up. Keep going at your pace.
Just hanging out, buddy? You just hanging out?
Those are best friends. Instantly. That was nice. You pet the doggy. You didn't.
I was going to say, not hitting. I know a lot that just whack.
Yeah.
Every time he hits us, we tell him, gentle, gentle. He just, you know, he gets so excited.
Yeah.
Aww.
Going in for the hug.
Aw, you're
Nice,
such
Captain,
a
nice.
sweet, gentle baby, my love.
You're licking the ground.
He wants more hugs. He's patting her. Did you find a friend? You found a little doggy friend? Hi, buddy.
I think I'm done now.
You want a hug from Mommy?